And you know that okay. Yeah, speak the English. If you're a business owner, you know that the one thing that we all strive for is to get new customers. And we know that to get these new customers, we have to go where they are. Well, in today's day and age, where are they? They're on the internet. 75% of all internet traffic is video streaming. So it's pretty clear that video would be the best way to communicate with our audience. Just the other day, I read another statistic that stated that 64% of people said that watching a marketing video on Facebook actually influenced their buying decision. So video influences, communicates, engages. Video has tons of benefits for business. And at Staples, I will be discussing some of this, all the benefits, how to go about it, how to begin to introduce video in all our marketing plans. So I hope to see everyone there on November 14th.
Okay, Miss Awesomeness.
Oh yeah, Miss Awesome.
It's broadcasted in the college.
That's what they're gonna, yeah, that would be my next career. Broadcast.
Remember the little people.
Yeah.
Me, little people.